Hey people, welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita Prashant and today I'll share 4 simple and easy recipes which you can make for your child using rice. Now rice is a staple food. It is very good for babies because post 6 months when you are weaning, it is one of the ideal ideal ingredient that you can start giving them, and this is rich in carbohydrates which is required for them during that age. They are just going to roll or about to sit down or start crawling or walking, and this is the age when they need more nutrition, more energy. So rice has all that proteins and vitamins required and vital nutrients required for a healthy growth. So it's ideal to include it in their diet and not make it regular, but definitely along with other major foods like Dalia's recipe I shared. This can also be one such item, and yes, it can get boring for babies when you are giving one single rice porridge. So in this video you will get to see 4 different types of rice foods which you can make at home. And rice water is definitely not advisable. Barley rice water, moong ka pani, dal ka pani, chawal ka pani is not advisable for babies because it has zero nutrition. You have killed it by straining out and taking only water. All the nutrient fiber which was required for your child is gone with the dal which you have sieved just now. So I would never recommend them, but I would insist check on these recipes which you can easily make at home and watch till the end. We'll start this section with very simple recipe which is rice cereal. The initial days it is good to start with single grains. So we'll make this using parboiled rice. Any rice you generally use at home. We'll rinse it and immediately strain it. Without leaving it in the water for a long time, you can immediately transfer it to a pan and dry roast it. If you have that time and good sunlight, you can spread it over a fine cotton cloth and allow it to dry and then roast this. And while you are roasting, you can observe that the rice is turning brown initially, and then it is fluffing up like this. And then it's time that you stop, allow it to cool, and then make a fine powder. We'll grind this, make a fine powder. It's good if you can sieve it as well. I'm transferring it to a bottle, and we can use it for about 2 to 4 months, but fresh is always better. Now I'll show you how to prepare a porridge out of this mix. The flame is off. In a pan or in any vessel, you can add water and powder. And first mix it lump free before switching on the flame. Mix it lump free. It's ideal way of making any porridge. Mix it with water or milk and mix it lump free before putting it on the flame. 5 to 8 minutes it may take. Stop it while it looks little thin, because once it cools down it will become thick and you don't want too much thicky consistency for your child, but something which is on your finger when you take it. A very delicious apple rice porridge will show you. In a cooker I am adding ghee. This rice I have rinsed. This can be given to babies above 6 months. I am adding grated apple here. See this, we will fry it in ghee for a minute or 2 because it adds on to that flavor. Whenever you roast anything in ghee, it really becomes tasty. And then we can cook this in milk or water, no issues. And many of you have this doubt and sometimes complain that Kavita, you recommend not to give cow's milk for babies until an year, and I see that you are using milk in your recipes for babies above 6-8 months, like that. So the simple concept here is, please first watch our cow's milk video. We cannot give cow's milk as an alternative to breast milk or formula milk, because that is the main food for babies till an year. The protein in cow's milk is difficult for babies to digest, but when you cook it along with other ingredients, the protein breaks down and it becomes edible for babies. It is tastier and it is optional. You don't have to mandatorily use it, but if you're using it, it's absolutely fine while you cook it along with ingredients and serve it in other forms, but never replace it as a breast milk or formula milk. Now we cooked it for around 3 whistles. In pan, in case you are cooking, it would take around 20 minutes. I have not added too much of water, so in case you feel that your child will not take porridge in this consistency, you can add more water and cook it, but ensure you don't keep it too thin. And you can even blend it. You can mash it or blend it like this before you serve it to the child. Third recipe is instant khichdi mix. This is a great travel food. Now in a bowl I am adding rice. Any regular rice which you use at home is ideal for your baby. You would not surely use basmati rice regularly or brown rice regularly, but whatever you eat which is adapted to you as an individual, it's there in your genes, your child can also get easily adapted to it. Now we'll transfer it to the pan, dry roast it just like we did in the first recipe until it turns out brown and fluffy, and then transfer it to a plate and allow it to cool down. Now we'll add yellow moong dal. Yellow split gram is what it is called as. Rinse it and immediately dry roast it. Now the measurement of all the ingredients can be found in the description box, and please check totsandmoms.com because you'll find these and many other recipes which are great for baby. Now next we are going to flavor it up adding cumin and pepper. Yes, another recommendation is not to give salt and sugar till an year. Babies love other flavors. They are like a plain slate. Anything you write, they will adapt to it. That's how they are. Now don't come with a mindset that how will a baby eat food without salt and sugar. They are babies. They can they can feel many other flavors apart from just salt and sugar. Now once it was cooled, we made a fine powder. Now we can store it and use it for 2 to 4 months. How to prepare instant khichdi now using this powder? Add it in a bowl and piping hot water necessarily, because this is not a processed food wherein you just add some warm water like a Cerelac or some other brand and mix it and serve it. Please use piping hot water because most of the cooking is done while we roasted it, and partially whatever is required. Now we'll add hot water and finish it off, and before serving it to the baby, cover it and rest it for 5 minutes. Our last recipe of the day is mashed vegetable rice. I wanted to make only 4 recipes, but I added on one more because it is required that I show you multiple things. There are plenty still on our channel, on our website. Do check them. Rice followed by all the vegetable you can easily find at home. Again, this increases the nutrition value of food. And if you are asking me why showing simple recipes like this, there have been many families which depend on outside food for babies, or which regularly give the same sort of food, bore them. By the time they become 1 year, they are already fuzzy or picky eater. Or malnutrition is even common thing in urban cities these days, because ragi porridge is given 4-5 times a week, at least one time mandatorily. If it has iron or calcium, what about other nutrient requirements of your growing child? So please follow our channel, because I regularly post such recipes. Now once it is cooked well, we'll mash it. You can give it as is, or you can add ghee, a little tadka if you want. Not mandatory, this is sufficient. You can even add butter and flavor it up. Additionally, if you want, with pepper or cumin or both. Vegetables already have their own flavor, which is sufficient for babies, but a little pepper is helpful to ensure that baby is digesting it well. Mashed vegetable rice is ready to be served. Oh, sorry, it was the 4th recipe. The final recipe I'm yet to show you. Sorry, my apologies. It was the 4th recipe. This is the 5th recipe of the day, green gram rice mash. This can be given to babies above 8 months. Green gram is highly nutritious and recommended mostly in all baby foods. Good in protein and vitamins as well. I have rinsed both the ingredients and then added here. I'm adding garlic. In case you're worried that this is high in protein or it can make your baby gassy, then it's taken care with. Garlic, turmeric, and cumin powder. We'll add water. Do not forget to check the description box for the ingredients. We'll cover it with a lid. In a pan, you can cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes. And here for about 3 whistles. Once it's cool, you can release the pressure and open the lid, and then you can find an awesome recipe here, green gram rice. Now we'll mash it and serve it to the baby. Now you can give it just like this for toddlers. Adding a little tadka would also do, completely optional, or just mash it, or with the help of a blender like this you can blend it a bit. Ensure don't make it a puree sort. Babies have to learn to eat textures, feel it, while they slowly adapt to family food. Now our green gram rice mash is all ready to be served. Serve it with a little ghee, or dress it up with little coriander. Ta-da! I try to share most simple recipes on my channel, which you can make in less time as well, because I understand each mom is busy, be it work from home, stay at home, or office going mom. Everyone has their own limitations, and I'm sure I try to make something helpful out of these. And in case yet you are not able to make it at home, for this reason I started an organic baby food store. On our store you can check few rice based products like moong rice khichdi, rice makhana and dates, which are instant, and banana rice cereal, and many other rice based products on our store you can check. These are organic, chemical, preservative free, homemade, under hygienic conditions. We are FSI certified as well, running since 5 years. So I'm not trying to exclusively promote our products, but I'm trying to tell why I made this brand, because it was very difficult to find something without salt, sugar or milk solids in the market then when I started 5 years before. So in case you're not able to make it at home, please keep a packet or two handy. And yes, thank you so much for watching this video. There are more recipes on my blog thoughtsandmoms.com. You can go and check there, and I'll see you soon in yet another video. Take care of yourself till then. Bye.